Hey everybody, what's going on, guys? Uh, got a really cool gift from my one and only girlfriend. She's the love of my life, and she surprised me with a booster box, sealed booster box Rebel Clash. Opened half of it yesterday with my son, and had a blast. Got one or two good pulls, that was really it. And he said the rest of it's gonna be on this side, so we're gonna see what happens, guys, and let me know what you guys think, and leave it down there in the comment section. And let's get into it. Got my binder, got some top loaders, got sleeves. We got everything we need right here. So let's do it. Going for a gold full art or uh, any of the rainbow cards would be nice too. Either way. Got 18 packs to go through. This is pack number 1. See what we get. I love the artwork in this Rebel Clash. Oop. Ooh, coughing reverse rare. Nice. Nice. Sandaconda V. Really good pull. First off the bat, I completely filled one of these Elite Trainer boxes up with over 300 cards. We'll be donating that next week. That'll be awesome. Sorry, I'm in a tight corner here. They don't want me to film or do anything anywhere else in the house, so I have to do it in my little space. You know how moms are. The house isn't clean. But we're just getting out there and doing it. Also, do y'all play online? I've been thinking about playing online. Sounds fun. I don't know too much about it. I'm gonna figure it out. Sorry about my finger. Housework can be dangerous, you know what I mean? Getting out there. That's what it's about. Man, it's like the 16th one I've pulled of that one. I see a reverse rare. Squirrel. Beware. And be free, but free. Nice. Also, if you would like all the bulk cards that I get, I include the non-holographic rares. Sometimes I include the holographic rares, and the reverse holographic rares are always in my bulk. If you would like to get that, let me know. Just comment bulk down below, and I'll send you all the bulk cards. If you build decks or play professionally, I'm just doing this because I used to do it when I was a child, and it brings back really good memories. And that's what it's about, is making memories. Even if it's reminiscing on memories, I'm making new ones while I do it. I think my cat Squirrel might join us in the video. About to find out. What are you doing, Squirrel? Got 4 calls. Whoa. Went crazy on me. Oh, that's cool. Oh, it's an energy twin in. I said I don't play professionally. I have played amongst friends like once or twice here and there. That was fun. I would like to actually try to do it. I think that sizzle. Or Scyther. Songbird. And whoa! Yes! That is the coolest thing ever. Look how bad that centering is. Can y'all see that? Look how bad that is. Look how dark blue this side is, and look how thin that line is. Centering is horrible. Horrible. Even on the actual card, I think it's not too good. But isn't that cool? That's easily a PSA 8. 8. That's a hard 8 right there. Which is awesome. Got it in the sleeve. Nice. Heck yeah. Well, I forgot the sleeves out. Go ahead and get this one sleeved up. I think this one will go into a Charizard binder later. I don't know yet. We'll figure it out. Really good pull there, guys. Yes. Yes. That was nice. That was nice. That is what we are after. If I can get one of those in a gold. Ooh, this pack feels heavy. We just got that guy right there. That's awesome. No, don't scratch it. Kitty cat's on their scratchings. Kitty cat's on their scratchings. Where are you going? See her up there. Squirrel! What are you doing? She's a nut. Call her squirrel because she carries her tail like a squirrel. Alrighty then. Like I said, I've been thinking about playing this. I get a lot of cards. You know, I usually get about 8 packs a week. So, who knows? But shout out to my girlfriend because she bought this for me. And that's awesome. That's one of the best gifts you could, you know, give somebody. Is the chance to travel down a memory lane and just have a great time. And that's what it's about, guys. Living simple in these hard times. Let's do this. See if we can't get another cool one. See what I mean? There's a lot of Electabuzz. Common. And non-hollow Seismitoad. Oops, sorry about my shaking. That one's pretty neat. Oh man. So far 2, I got a Malmar, which I have here. Show you that one. I pulled this one with my son yesterday. I pulled, you know, we were just hanging out and I pulled that. And now to go along with it from the same trainer box. But blam. Look at that. And I don't know how the centering is on that one. I didn't really look at it. But definitely got some more going into the Blitzy bin. So let's get into it. Where are we at now? I think we're 4 packs in. This is number 5. So let's see what happens, guys. See what happens. Number 5. My lucky number is number 7. Comment your lucky number. Who knows, I might send you one of these cool cards for your birthday, or if I like your number. Kind of hard to hold these cards in front of me. I need to get like a desk where I can put y'all the other way. Or maybe have y'all, you know, more down to where I have flat surface. Who knows? May do this outside soon. Do an unboxing at like the park. Oh, look at that. Oh no. Non-hollow. Still really cool. Still really cool. planning on doing some traveling here soon. Squirrels up there. Look at him. It's probably gonna knock everything down. Please don't knock everything down, squirrel. Pack number 6, guys. Pack number 6. Do the card trick. Fire! Also, if you build decks or anything, let me know what kind of decks you build. I might send you some cards to help you out. Did I throw 2 cards down there? Ow, she's attacking my back. Love my kitty cats. Have a bunch of them. What's your favorite animal? What pet do you have? Yeah? Let me know. Talk to me. Bam! Non-hollow toxicity. I now think I have that in 3 different forms, so I'm gonna hold on to that one. Oh, get out of here. Don't step on those. You'll bend them. Well, don't leave them on the floor. I'm sorry. But yeah, let me know. Let me know. Talk to me. Let's do some crazy stuff. Let's come up with some crazy ideas. Let's make it happen. If you enjoy Pokemon card openings, let me know. If you enjoy more fishing, maybe I'll tie the 2 together. I'll do Pokemon card openings while I fish. Go catfishing. I can do that. Good hour-long thing I can draw out. Let me know. Or maybe you want to see travel videos. Who knows? Pack number 7. 7's my lucky number. I have that tech. So let's make it happen. It's hard to hold them that way. I don't know why I keep trying. These cards are a little fuzzy. Oh. Not too. Oh. It's kind of hard. Oh, look at that. That is neat. And whoa! Yes. That is neat. Man. Holy cow. And the centering on the back looks really good. I'm going to send these off and get them graded. But you do have to pay for grading. But I think it'll be worth it to get a few of these come back really high grade. Unfortunately, I don't know if this is from the actual... Kind of looks like it's been surface damaged. But that is really cool. Everybody, nice. 2 good pulls right there, man. Well, no, we got 3 now, I think. Yeah, 3 good pulls so far. 3 good pulls. Crazy stuff, man. Let me get my stuff back in order. I don't like it when everything's just laying around. You gotta have something organized. I had a little trash bag right here. But also, what do y'all collect? What's your hobbies, guys? Pack number 8. Pack number 8. Get some 8 magic, 8 ball, magic 8 ball. That's a cool Farfetch. Galarian Farfetch. I think that one has an evolution, doesn't it? I don't know. Let me know down below. Help me learn this stuff. Magmortar reverse rare. Or, no, Magmar. Oh, nice. I got a Magmortar yesterday. And holographic Gimsnarl. Holographic Gimsnarl. This will definitely go in Charizard. So nice. Nice. You know, and I'm wondering if I should send them to PSA or if I should send them to Beckett. Let me know what y'all think. I've heard really good things from both of them. Either way, as long as they're graded, sealed, and certified, I think that's the big point of it. But to have a few of my personal cards that I've collected myself to be graded and certified, that would be amazing. Totally amazing. For you code card hunters out there, I do flash my code cards every time. I don't know, I don't play online. That's why I'm asking, do y'all play online? Should I start playing online? What do y'all want to do? Try to go a little faster here. I got a lot of packs to go. A lot of packs. But don't do that. Give away too much. Magikarp, Gyarados, Armies, Reverse Rare, and non-hollow. I got 3 of these yesterday. What are you doing? You throwing stuff at me? What are you throwing? How do you have that? Go. Get out of here, you crazy nut. My guy looks like a little... Oh, look at me, I'm coming for your candy. Look, run away. Woo, 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 woo. Some people call me crazy. Who knows? Probably stop this video at around 25-30 minutes. I don't want it to be too long for you guys. I know it gets boring easily. I can sit here and do this all day. My son and me did it for an hour yesterday, just opening 16 packs. And I'm on pack number 9 now. So, and it's been 17 minutes. You know what I mean? It's amazing how much fun you can have in a short amount of time. Zatu, Lombre, Neri, that thingy with the head skull, that thingy that looks like a flying fish. It's a bird with a leak. That's what that thing is a leak, guys, if you don't know. There's the bucket, and haha, pulled it out from the other way. But non-hollow Probopass, which is a new evolution, I think, of Nosepass. Nosepass. Look at the beak on that guy. Look at the beak on that guy. Mr. Potato Head here. That's a really cool trainer. I like to keep the reverse trainers. But I'm not going to keep that rare. That rare is really common when I get a lot. Get a lot of them a lot. I've noticed that in the last couple of packs. There's a lot of repeats. I was kind of hoping it'd be a little different, but I guess with as many packs as many cards as they print off and send around the world, I can see they had to have something that was pretty basic, like a standard. So I get it. Cool snow guy, Banary, Vulpix, Haunted Man, Bird with Leak, and holographic. Nice. This one is the 3rd one I've gotten, so that's pretty cool. I might trade some of them into my local game store and help them out with inventories and stuff. That's also, don't forget guys, your local game stores. Please don't forget your local game stores.